Hi, welcome. In this video we're going to show you 7 websites that you must go and visit if you are going to be using affiliate marketing. And also stay tuned to the end of the video, we're going to show you who's behind the camera. So without further ado, let's hop over to the laptop and show you those websites. Okay, so let's quickly run through the sites that I would recommend you go and visit. And the first one would be Pat Flynn's and his Smart Passive Income. As you can see, he does various different subjects here: email marketing, better blogging, and of course he does affiliate marketing here as well. So you can go and grab his free stuff there and loads of different other information. Let's also go to the next one, which is Affiliate Marketing Dude. Now, the website here is obviously got loads of good stuff on it as well, but what I would recommend is actually hooking up on his YouTube channel, where he does sort of daily or weekly YouTube videos, live webinars, and loads of great stuff that will help you with your affiliate marketing. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, just click on the YouTube, and then that will take you through to his actually YouTube channel where you can go and subscribe. Okay, so the third one I would recommend is Neil Patel, and Neil does a lot of stuff with SEO and traffic. So obviously with any affiliate marketing, you do need traffic and obviously SEO if you're doing blogging. So Neil is a great one to obviously go and visit his website. He's also got some free tools which you can go and use. Our next one is touching on blogging, and we've got Pro Blogger here. And Darren does great stuff here, and he's got a fantastic podcast. So I'd fully recommend that you go and hook up with his podcast and get his weekly podcasts there. The next one I want to discuss is Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see, I've actually come in to the back end of Wealthy Affiliate. It's a membership site, community. It's free to join, so you don't have to pay anything to join, and it's full of other members, affiliate marketers, and you can obviously blog from here if you want. You can ask questions, you can add training, and you get a certain rank within the community. The more you share and the more you help others, you will then go up the rankings. As you see, I'm 252 ranked at the moment. So I'm in here most days. Like I say, it's free and there's loads and loads of training. Obviously, you've got down the dashboard here, you've got training, websites, etc. Go and check out my review. I shall put the link in the description below here, and you can go and find out more about what you can actually get on this Wealthy Affiliate site. But I'm on there most days and I'm helping people out, so feel free to come and say hi. Again, I'll pop a link in below where you can go and join for free. Now, the next one I want to talk about is Kim Gast, brilliant speaker. Yeah, Kim blogs mainly about social media and about branding, all those sort of things. So 2 subjects that you very much need to know about if you are building an online business. And the final one I just want to touch on is Affiliate Summit. And what they do is they do affiliate summits all around the world in various different continents. The 4 that are going on this year, one in March, one in August, one in October, and then January next year. So always hook up with these, and then there might be something that you can get to, and again meet other affiliates live at the summit. So that's it. Those are my top tips, websites to go and visit if you are going to be doing affiliate marketing, and these will certainly help you as you go through your journey. Right, hope you enjoyed that video. So let's just reveal who was behind the camera. It was my niece, Ellie. Hi Ellie, what have you got to say to the viewers?
Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and click the bell for notifications.
There you go, that's what you got to go and do. So let's head over and do that, and we'll see you on the next video.